Hi guys, in today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you how you can receive money on Payoneer. Now I'm going to be showing you many methods so that you can choose which one works best for you. Now I'm going to be showing you, for example, how you can receive money from people that already have a Payoneer account, or how you can receive money from people that don't have a Payoneer account, or how you can request money from people so that they can pay you using their credit cards. I'm going to be showing you many methods in this video. Now before we start, I would highly appreciate if you can drop a like on this video. That would be highly appreciated. It will help me a lot. Okay, so first thing you need to do, guys, you want to log into your Payoneer account. Okay, like I said, I'm going to be showing you a lot of methods to receive payments on your Payoneer. Okay, so the first method, which is the popular way on Payoneer, is to receive payments by, if you want to receive a payment, you just to receive money, you just need to click on your account, like your name in the top right, and then you want to click on settings. Okay, so after, guys, you click on settings, you want to click on profile settings, and as you can see, we'll see here an email. This is like the most popular way to receive money on Payoneer. Now this email can be used to receive payments. Okay, but this email can only be used if the person that is sending you the money or has a Payoneer account. This is a must. Okay, so you have to have a Payoneer account in order to send you money to this email. So it's very easy. If you want to send you money, just click on pay to Payoneer accounts, and then they can add here your Payoneer. Okay, they can just add the email so that they can pay you. Okay, so after, for example, if you are trying to send money, if you are trying, if someone is trying to send you money but they don't have a Payoneer account, they don't have a Payoneer account, the method that can be used here is to click here. It says get paid, as you can see. Okay, so there are three options here, or features here you can use. As you can see, you can click on this receiving accounts, and then you can request money using your bank, your USA bank account. You want to click on it. As you can see, you can send them your routing number and the account number. It's like your bank account to receive payment. But keep in mind that you can only use this bank account if, as you can see here, local transfer guidelines. Account can be used to receive local bank transfers within the US. Okay, USA, as you can see, in dollar currency. Okay, via this network. As you can see, this is the name of the network, and as you can see, transfers usually take 1 to 3 business days. Now I have never used this method, but in case it's good for you and it's going to benefit you, so you can use it. You can just send them, but keep in mind, as you can see, this account can only be used to receive local bank transfers within the USA. Here in general, as you can, general guidelines, only payments for business transactions from business accounts are supported, like if it's outside of the United States. As you can see, payments from bank accounts will be declined, so don't even try to do that. Transactions made from bank account in your name will be declined too. So just in case. Okay, so as you can see, this method, I don't think a lot of people will benefit from this method. Now the third way, guys, if you click here again on get paid and click on request money. So after, guys, you click on request money, of course they will ask you guys some questions here. You just need to add here your government issued photo ID and business profile. Now this is the most popular way also to request money from people who don't have a Payoneer account. After you request the money, they will receive an email. Of course they will have to give you their email, and you can just add the email, and you can also request the amount you want to request from them. Okay, first, of course, you will have to add here your business profile. Click on submit here, and then they will ask you guys some personal questions. You just need to add these questions. It's very easy. Just select the category that best describes your line of business, for example construction or digital goods. For example, select the description that most accurately describes what you do. For example, ebooks, I sell ebooks, for example. Okay, just need to tell us a bit about how your business operates now. And then the website, you don't even have to enter here your own website. You can just add the random website, for example from Fiverr or Upwork, or you can add like a YouTube channel. If you have it, you can add it here. After that, you just need to click on submit, and then you will wait a few hours, and then you will be accepted so that you can request payments. And after you are accepted, if you click here on get paid, request payment, you will be able to add the email address so that you can request money from them, and then they will receive a notification. Like they will receive like an email, and then they can pay you using their credit card or debit card or whatever they have. That's exactly, guys, a very popular way to receive money on like Payoneer. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. Like if you have any questions, something you don't understand, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. Make sure you drop a like, and see you guys next video.